Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool which is having different types of templates for our content writing in our research paper, and also it has some unique options and unique templates available. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. In this workshop, we are going to design LNC parameters for buck and boost converter, and then we are going to model, that is going to do open loop and closed loop simulation with proper PID controller tuning for that converters, and then we are going to fed that converters with the input as PV and wind energy as a sources, and then we are going to connect it with EV charging station. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with how the converter will perform, what are the important things in design calculations while using a converter, and then how converter bridges between an input source and an applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an research paper writing workshop, that is research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different types of AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out ChatGPT to work for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that, so here you can see Voli AI. So this is the dashboard of this Voli AI. So you can have 3000 words for free and 5 image tokens for free. So these are the different options available in this particular Voli that is AI chat. So here you can see that AI editor, AI writer, AI video, AI image, AI article generator, AI file chat, AI vision, AI rewriter, AI chat images, AI web chat, AI chat, AI code, AI YouTube, AI speech to text, AI voiceover, AI voice clone, etc. So these are the different options available. So first we will check out with one by one. So first one is AI editor. So just click on this AI editor. So here you can see that here these are the different options, different templates available in this particular AI editor. So you can choose this template. So for example, for blog you can see these are the different AI templates are available: post title generator, summarize text, so article generator, blog conclusion, paragraph generator, grammar correction, TLDR summarization. So these are the options available. So I am going to explore this blog conclusion. So you can give title of a blog. For example, I am going to give grid connected PV system. So like that I am going to give a title. So after that you can tell that how you can describe that particular title. So make a conclusion on grid connected PV system. How, that is you can give the suggestions when PV is available, it supplies to grid and also to load. So after that, when PV is 0, grid supplies power to the load. So like that you can give an description. So after that you can select this particular words, number of words. So whatever you want you can select. For example, I am going to give 200 words. So number of results you can select it as 1. So after that, so here these are the options available. Creativity you can give premium or economic or average or good. So I am going to give good. After that you can see the tone of voice. So these are the different tone of voice are available. So you can select it as professional and then click on generate. So let us see how it will works out and how it will generate content for us. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see that. So here our content is generated. So in conclusion, grid connected PV systems offer a compelling solution of sustainable energy future. Their ability to seamlessly switch between solar and grid power ensures a reliable electricity supply. So you can copy the content, so you can paste the content also, or else you can edit the content. So like that you can make use of this option in this documents, that is editor, in this AI editor to generate a content. So we have asked for 200 words, so it has generated content for, that is conclusion for the title you have given for 200 words. So like that you can make a conclusion for your research paper using this blog conclusion template also. So it's not only for blog, you can use it for research paper writing also. If you are struggling to make a abstract, or so in this intros you can make an intro or abstract, so in conclusion you can make a conclusion also. So other than that, these are the normal AI templates available in many of the AI tools like grammar correction, TLDR, summarization, etc. So apart from this, these are the different options are available. This is related with e-commerce. So these are the e-commerce AI templates. Next, for development, advertisement, custom, social media, etc. So going back to dashboard. So next you can see that AI writer we have discussed. Next, AI video. So it will just click on this video. So here drop your image, browse images available, so it will be converted into a video. So next one is AI image. So you can explain your idea, so you can generate example prompt. So I am just going to click this generate example prompt. So a home built in a huge soap bubble windows. So click on generate. So it will take several seconds to generate a content. So like that you can give an input prompt. So according to that input prompt, so it will generate an image for you. So you can use that image for use. So here you can see, so this is a example, that is a home built in a huge soap bubble windows. So this is how your image look like. So in order to make you ease view, I am going to, here you can see this is how your image will be generated. So here you can see a perfect clear image will be generated. So you can make use of this option also. So next important thing is that AI file chat. So here in this file chat, as like in chat with PDF, so you can upload your document and you can analyze your document using this AI file chat. So you can upload especially those who are making literature review, so you can use this option, that is AI file chat option, to upload your document and you can analyze the content using this AI file chat. So for literature review you can use this particular AI template. So apart from this AI vision, so seamlessly upload any image you want to explore and get insightful conversation. So you can that is, you can communicate with an image. So you can upload an image and you can ask any questions related with that particular image. So thereby it will analyze that particular image and it will answer for you. So like that you can make use of this AI vision option. Next, apart from this AI rewriter, so in this rewriter, as like many of the rewriters, so you can paste the content here. So and you can select any of the mode. Next you can select the language also and then click on generate. So your content will be rewritten here. Whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism, so you can use this option called rewrite and you can rewrite your content using this option, that is this template. So here you can see that, so 3 different options are presented here. So this is one option focusing on the benefits of the particular content you have given. So next option 2, focus on impact. So it is deals about the impact of the content. Next option 3, focus on action. So this is how your content will be generated here in this AI rewriter. So next one is AI chat image. So you can generate or craft a diverse array of images without leaving your chat environment. So you can create an image. So next, AI chat. So this is a normal AI chatbot where you will be having different types of AI chatbot models. So in this you can see this is a default chatbot. Next one, this is related with finance, nutrition, etc. So here this is related with language. Next, parenting, fitness trainer. So chat image, event planner, etc. So as far as research paper writing is concerned, so you can use this default AI chatbot to generate your content. So as like in other chatbots, you can give an input prompt. So according to that input prompt, it will generate answers. So let us explore with some prompt. So here you can see I am going to give an input prompt like generate an outline for the research paper titled machine learning algorithm for MPPT. So like that I am going to give an input. So let us see whether it will generate an outline for a thesis or not. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here and also here you will be having an option called attach. You can attach any image also. So accordingly it will generate content. Yes, our outline will be generated. So here you can see. So this is the research paper outline, machine learning algorithm for MPPT. So here you can see introduction, literature review, proposed machine learning algorithm for MPPT, experimental setup and results, discussion, conclusion, references, appendix. So these are the different outline will be generated. So if you are struggling to make an outline for your thesis or your research paper or your conference paper, you can use this option to generate an outline for your research paper and make use of this a template for generating outline. So next you can see these are the other options, a code. So you can generate whatever the code you need, you can generate. So whatever the language you want, you can give MATLAB code, JavaScript code, next Python code, PHP code, whatever the code you want, you can generate using this 𝐻𝐸LY AI. So next you can see that 𝐻𝐸, speech to text, voiceover, voice clone. So these are the different options available in this particular 𝐻𝐸LY. So go on and explore this 𝐻𝐸LY with the free words, and you can generate content with that free words also. So if you find useful and it works out well for you, so you can go for this subscription option. So here you can see this is $4.99 per month. So you can access up to 5,000 word tokens and 50 image tokens. So as I have seen many of this kind of AI tools, it is generating a better content for your research paper writing, especially while going for this blog conclusion. It is a perfect conclusion for the title we have given. The important thing is that you have to give your input in the description very well. So accordingly only it will generate the content. So apart from this, we have tried out rewriting options. It will give 3 different options, and also here you can see that in this last we have explored the chat to generate an outline. It is generating a perfect outline for your research paper. So you can make use of this 𝐻𝐸LY AI to generate a better content to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.